Hey, if you want to record audio with your Xiaomi Buds 5, first of all, you will have to start by opening the Xiaomi earbuds application. Then you will have to start scrolling for gestures. And when you are here, go to press and hold on the left or the right one. And now select to record audio. So now as you can see, we have to press and hold again. We have to press and hold to start recording. And then if we want to stop, we have to actually press and hold again. And now it's actually depending on our mobile device connection status, so we'll be able to record calls, device audio and ambient audio. And now if you switch this, so that looks like this. Take a look. I'm gonna open this record. Now I'm gonna input this into my ear. I'm gonna click and hold on the sensor. There we go. And now when you click and hold like this, take a look, like this, on the sensor, you will hear that you start recording sound. And now to finish, you will have to just do the same, click and hold until you hear sound that it actually stops recording. And as you can see right now, we can find this record in this place, but you actually cannot listen to this. So you will have to click to save all to phone. Now just wait, and then you can find it right here, and you can listen to your records. There we go. And when you tap in this place, then you can simply send it to someone. You can actually use the quick share, the Gmail, Google Chrome, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna actually test this for different phones like Samsung, Google, Apple, and I will check if for all phones you can actually record the phone calls. If this will be available, then it will be like a really great extension for this earbuds. So that's it, and that's basically how we can actually start recording the basic information for this. Thanks for watching.